In the not-so-distant future, there is a water sport that has captured my imagination. Windsurfing. Picture this, gliding gracefully over glistening waters, with a sail hoisted high, and the wind propelling you forward like a dance with nature. I dream of experiencing this exhilarating activity in the breathtaking waters of Maui, Hawaii. The turquoise sea, warm sun, and stunning landscapes make it an ideal destination for windsurfing enthusiasts. The island's strong, consistent winds provide the perfect playground for mastering this sport. Now, you might be wondering if windsurfing is a challenging endeavor. Well, it certainly requires skill and practice, but like anything worthwhile, the learning journey promises to be rewarding. As with any sport, dedication and determination are key to honing the art of balance and harnessing the wind's power. So, why do I long to try windsurfing? The answer lies in my thirst for adventure and the desire to be one with the elements. Windsurfing is not just a sport, it's a communion with nature, a chance to push my limits, and an opportunity to embrace the serenity of the open waters. In conclusion, windsurfing holds the promise of an unforgettable experience, an adrenaline-pumping blend of skill, grace, and a connection with the majestic forces of wind and water. So, here's to the future, where I hope to embrace the thrill of windsurfing and embark on a journey of self-discovery amidst the beauty of the ocean. Thank you.